This is Dr. Mapakshi. Let's talk about zinc. Zinc is a trace essential mineral. It is available through diet. It's predominantly present in high amounts in shellfish and also red meat. It can also be taken in the form of nuts, legumes, dairy products. Some breakfast cereals are fortified with zinc. Bioavailability of zinc from plant sources is lower compared to animal sources because of the presence of phytates in plant-based sources. The phytates interfere with zinc absorption. Zinc is absolutely essential for several body functions. Over 100 enzymes in the body require zinc for proper function. It is essential for normal growth and development. It's important for proper immunologic and neurologic functions. It is important to maintain the integrity of olfactory gustatory mucosa. So for proper sense of taste and smell, zinc is necessary. It also helps with blood sugar regulation, cell membrane sustenance and maintenance, and also for the management of oxidative stress. So during the recent COVID pandemic, we did recommend zinc along with multivitamin supplements because it is important for regeneration of the olfactory mucosa, which is damaged by the COVID virus. I hope this helps. One concern with zinc is zinc and copper, they go hand in hand, meaning if there is too much of zinc, it can lower the levels of copper, and it's vice versa as well. So you want to be vigilant about the amount of zinc you're taking in and how to make sure that other minerals are also balanced well. I hope this material is helpful for you. Take care.